All right, so next we have the Peephole Cam, which I have in my home. And I love the Peephole Cam for several reasons. The first is that it's battery only, super easy. You're not messing with any of the existing doorbell wiring. Just take the battery here, pop it in, and pop it out to power it. Super easy. The second part, and what makes it so awesome, is the installation. So it actually goes over your peephole, which is pretty cool. So you actually take your peephole out, unscrew it, which is really easy to take out, and then you put these two on either side of it. So this is on the inside of your home with the cover here, and this goes on the outside of your home. You'll see with the doorbell button right there. And we made sure to preserve the actual peephole, so you can still look through it if you want, and then we have this privacy shield to close that off, so you have your privacy inside the home. So we initially created this for renters or people with HOAs. I personally think it's great for anyone that has a peephole over their door. I live in a home and I have a Peephole Cam and I love it. So the last feature that's really cool and actually exclusive to the Peephole Cam is what we call knock detection. So like I mentioned, you install these parts of the doorbell right onto the door itself. So when someone knocks, it'll actually feel with the sensors inside and give you an alert. So if someone happens to not press the actual doorbell button and they just knock and leave, you'll get an motion alert so you know that someone visited.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah, of course. One moment. Hello.
Hi, you have a package.
Please leave the package at the door.
I'll be waiting here.
Wait for me. Wait for a moment.